She's the it girl, she can't control it. She has it.
Let us clap our hands.
Some goalkeepers are there.
Kum Shibanta ban rakhe ka jindap ba arpsan snam jong ka Sengklaret seminary ka badan homsning kinong penya jong ka seminary po ka jingkmi jong Fadar Tommy Akapadikal CMF bad ufadar Samuel Kandula CMF kilap pelong ka Lumpung Inter Seminary Football Tournament ka barsengi kaban sakut nol asyai ka sengi hakabalawan bershibanta da South League Seminary bekentop ka selection nong lakhian Capuchin Kti Holy Cross Sumer berkelaration umsning Hakati ka simpli ketika Lumpung lawan penpeli da MLA ke umsning Dr. Celestine Lingdo kumukongsan haka jenerkat ufadar Pius Churut Hill CMF Major Superior of Collection ufadar Pius Sedap Parish Priest umsning Parish ubaroki Kela Chairman umsning Town Dorbar ubaroki Merwain lambat kiwe-kiwe kiruniam habo phai ketika Lumpung haka simpli la yakun ningkong da Capuchin Kti persya Declaration umsning haka bah kelas step ke Declaration umsning kalayo penki ka jarbeningkong Bat hak kelamit kekelarisyan umsning kelayon penkik biang ke jarbaar kata bat kalalan pelimno da arlanot ya Capuchin Kti. Lapun sengkun ru ya ketika Lumpung da jinshat naki brodar naki seminary beper na Pori Boy District ringkat ke jinshat drill naki kena konven.
Each one of us 100 years to live on this earth. 25 years is a quarter of that. So if anyone is born with the life expectancy of 100 years, they will be able to see that St. Claret is part of a quarter of the life. Now when we talk about activities in different institutions, be it educational or spiritual educational institutions, I'm very happy to see that St. Claret's on their Jubilee year have decided to organize the inter-seminary football tournament. There is a very nice saying in English which states, a healthy body likes to stay along with a healthy mind. Rather, a healthy mind choose to live in a healthy body.
Ka bandrakhe ya ka jindap arpsan snam jong kani ka Claret Seminary ka jing sedang jong kani Claret Seminary hang apo umsning ki padar clarishan apo ka jing dalam jong padar Tommy Akapadikal bar padar Samuel Kandula ki organize lani ki peniyat ya kani ka jingin ka football tournament inter seminary tinggi donang ne hari boy jungi santli tinggi bawan kita tang sal kide ki Celestian dan Musko hanong lakiat nangta ki Capuchin nangte haung kti Roy nangta ki Holy Cross po Sumer bat ki clarishan ang ne hapo sning te ide ki satu lagi team ki Simbentalang hagane ka tournament ti kidon segi Jesuit humbir se ki mlaban light na kita wa per ti kidon bok wa hagane hanim boy juni kidon do sant lagi sebenarnya jing banlong lengdo dunyam ide ki bona ki ide na awal kelas 11 12 tegi Jesuit tegi dan ka novitiate pa mausyaro tegi don santli tegi kene ka football tournament kalong ya kini ki santli ki sebenarnya tang batang satu li ki Simbenta te kalong Simbenta jong gajing rakhe don burom ya gajing dapar usan snam jong kane ka claret sebenarnya hangne apo usni